Students, this is the model of human brain. Now, human brain, as you know, it is located in the cranium. Now, it is differentiated into three main parts, that is forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Now, let's see the different parts of the brain. Now, forebrain, it is formed of cerebrum. This is the largest part. Nearly 3/4 of the brain is constituted of cerebrum. And as you see the marking, as you know, you have already studied, cerebrum is highly convoluted. Its surface is highly convoluted. So, the only part of the forebrain that is visible in the external view, that is the cerebrum. Now, at the back you see these two smaller structures at the base of cerebrum. This represents the cerebellum, which is the part of the hindbrain. Now, here this is the brain stem. The upper part of the brain stem that is slightly swollen, that is the pons, and its extension is the medulla oblongata. So, cerebellum, pons and medulla oblongata form the hindbrain. So, these three are visible. But in forebrain, only the cerebrum is visible. Now, to see the other parts, we have to see the internal structure or the sagittal section of the brain. Now, see in the sagittal section, this upper part, this pink part convoluted, this is the cerebral hemisphere. As you know, the cerebrum is divided into two equal halves, which are the cerebral hemispheres. Now, the cerebral hemisphere is highly convoluted, and the two cerebral hemispheres, they are joined to each other by this whitish tissue with vertical lines marking it, highlighting it. This is corpus callosum, which joins the two cerebral hemispheres. Now, below this part, this is the diencephalon, which is formed of upper thalamus and the lower hypothalamus. And connected to the base of the hypothalamus is the pituitary gland, which is the part of the endocrine system. Okay, so cerebrum, thalamus and hypothalamus makes the forebrain. Cerebellum, pons and medulla oblongata forms the hindbrain. Midbrain is between the forebrain and hindbrain, somewhere in this region, but it is very less developed in human. So that is about the structure of the brain.